This is a quick troubleshooting video for your pretreater. You're basically going to have to check all the connections. So from the sponge to right here, to make sure that's tight, you want to just make sure you push that in. This, you want to make sure you push that in. To release any hose, you'll just need to just push down on this blue O-ring, and then you can pull out. So if you're having some trouble for the first time setting up, you'll need to do that. Also, make sure that you have the machine unplugged, and if you need to get back here where these pumps are, just make sure you can trace your way to the pump. Make sure that these connections are also tight, and again, just make sure that this is unplugged. So if you only need to troubleshoot one line, make sure that you can trace that line back and see where it goes into, and make sure you can follow the pump. Also, you will have to open up this top and follow that line to whatever connections are also inside the pretreater. You'll probably need a few tools that come in a tool bag with the pretreater, so just make sure that you have that bag handy. If you don't, then you may need to grab some tools and just use those. It's probably going to be a 2.5 to a 3 millimeter Allen wrench that you'll need anytime you work on this machine. Make sure it's unplugged so that you don't harm yourself or mess up the machine electrically, because you can blow a lot of boards. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact us.